Windows 11 has updated the desktop gadgets feature, rebranding them as widgets. To access and utilize these, begin by right-clicking on your Start button. From the menu that appears, select the option for Taskbar. You will notice that the term Gadgets has been replaced with Widgets. To enable this feature, locate the switch for Widgets and turn it on. Once activated, the Widgets app will display in a pane on the right side of your screen. From this pane, you can add new widgets by clicking on an option like Discover New Widgets. This process allows you to add and customize various widgets to your Windows 11 desktop. You can open the Widgets panel from the designated icon, usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.